most young people feel that why now? I'm still young. Why should I bother? Talk of health insurance. Oh, I've still got a long way to go before diseases or any lifestyle disease is going to hit me. That's not really the case, isn't it? We see around us, especially on social, and Amitabh and I were chatting about it, you see around you today people very young coming down with all kinds of ailments and problems. But has the attitude to insurance changed from what you are seeing with the millions of people who are coming on to your platform asking questions?
So I'll say a couple of things. I think first of all, the cost of insurance is really not so high. So I think it's not that people are not wanting to take insurance. I think they may not have been thinking of insurance. So one of the most important things is to get them to think that death, disease, disability can happen to anybody. Like, let's be clear, Steve Jobs got cancer and died of cancer. He was young, relatively. That's not an age to die. He had all the wealth, he had all the medical care, he had everything, right? If it can happen to him, I shouldn't be saying this, but why can't it happen to me? Anything can happen anytime. And we just need to know, once we are cognizant of that, and we take into account what is the real cost of these insurance policies that we're talking about. Most of the policies we talk about, whether it's health insurance, life insurance, 1,000 a month, none of them. And then you come to the point, what all we spend 1,000 rupees a month on? Let's forget me, let's take anybody, what all do we spend 1,000 rupees? You go out, some people, young people go out, have a few drinks.
Buy a couple of pizzas. Maybe.
Yeah, buy 2 pizzas, that's done, right? So the cost is not so high. All we have to do is buy it, right? Now, the fact is a lot of people are buying it. So I do remember very vividly, just about 3-4 years ago, looking at numbers of what is the online insurance in this country. And I remember there was a number like 500 crores and people like, oh wow, is it 500 crores? And now I'm very confident that same number is somewhere around 3,000 crores. So if you look at the last 5 years, it's probably gone 10x, right? It's going to go another 10x. I was just reading as I came in, life insurance as an industry is broadly growing at about 14-15%. Digital insurance is growing at 100%. And it's scaling. At 3,000 crores, that 100% starts to have an impact every year. The important thing is customers do want to buy. And as organizations like HDFC Life or other organizations have created great products, which, as I said, are at that price point of less than 1,000 rupees per month and very effective in protecting consumers against death, disease, disability. Let's just, in the Indian system, let's say these are the 3 demons. They're not demons, they're reality here. They're reality. We just don't see, go to anybody who thinks that people don't fall sick, visit any hospital. They are full of people, right? So they are realities. We just got to protect against those.